Hey guys, welcome back to Tekkit with Rebel and Aray, and today we have a special guest with us, Patt. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a system that defends your houses or castles or creations while you're not online the server. Or you just want to kill something that comes into a general area and you're not on. It's a simple block called a Tesla coil, and it runs on electricity. Now we just gotta go down here to the headquarters, and I'll show you guys how to make it.
I'm coming. So what do we need first to make this Tesla coil?
I think I'm gonna let okay. I'm gonna let Pat make our MV transformer.
Don't worry, I'll take care of him.
You mean with the stakes?
I'll give him bread. That's what we get the surplus here. That's what it's gonna be.
So if he'll make us a surplus transformer, I will make the electric circuit we need. And you said you gathered some more rubber, right, Aray?
Yes. I've got some more rubber here, and I believe I'll put some more in here. We got 16 rubber in total. How many? Do you need some more cables?
Yeah, if you'll make those for me, that'd be good.
On it. I think I put the rubber back in that chest by accident.
Yeah, you did. Here, I'll get it for you.
I got it.
I'd already got it when you said that.
Okay, just throw it to me.
Dang it. Why is this so complicated?
Simple task. Thank you.
And while y'all are doing that, I'll make we need 3 refined iron, I believe.
I can hear chest opening and closing all around me. Okay, I got you 18 copper cables.
Alright. If you'll leave 6 in the project table. If you don't mind, can you give me 4 redstone dust?
Yep. More redstone dust.
Will you help him out, baby?
Sure. Gold cable.
Yeah, you need that for the MV transformer.
Insulated gold cable. I think we might need some more rubber.
We need more rubber, I'll grab it.
Don't worry, I'm already out here.
Oh, you already out there?
I think I can get it before it's too late.
Okay. Sorry y'all, but Pat doesn't have his scalp up, and he'll be used in a few episodes as special guest, but he won't be on. He ain't joining us full time.
Yeah.
So that's why he's
resin. Sorry, here.
Thank you, buddy.
I got that.
I'm starting to wonder if he can even pull off making these 2 cables.
I don't even know how to make these.
Very simple. The gold cable is already in the project table.
Oh, I think he just made it. Yep, he made it. He's got the medium volt transformer.
Alright, A-Ray, if you'll go over here to the project table with me, I'll show y'all how to put this bad boy together.
Okay.
It's very simple. All you have to do is put in the NV transformer in the middle, electric circuit under it, 2 refined iron to the side of the electric circuit, and the rest you fill in with redstone. That makes a Tesla coil. Now, all we have to do is hook it up with some energy.
Do we got any cables?
Yes, I do.
Cool. I've been wanting to protect this place from anyone while I'm offline.
And this is the perfect tool to do it with. Now, you don't have to bury it, but to catch the intruder by surprise, it's best to bury it.
Correct.
So we're going to bury it here. All you have to do is attach it to a wire. Let's see here.
I got some red alloy wire here.
Well, we just need a redstone torch, is it?
I got a lever.
You have red alloy wire and a lever?
Yes.
I got the wire out of the box.
So did I.
Oh, did you? And
Yeah.
if you want to, you can easily wire this thing up to a lever. Here, let's go this way with it. Well.
I think we got something. I think we got a viewer here. Back away. Problem solved.
Crap.
What'd you do?
I just broke the Tesla coil.
Did that... Does that get rid of it permanent?
Yep.
Alright guys, well, we'll be back once we get in our Tesla coil.
Hey guys, we're back and we have another Tesla coil built. And we have it plugged in and hooked to that lever, so when A-Ray gives the word, Pat down there is going to pull the lever and we're going to show you how it works.
Oh.
And that's what happens. GG Pat was electrocuted. That's what happens when you use the Tesla coil. Now this may be... Do what, A-Ray?
Well, that wasn't good.
Nope.
My turn. This is gonna end badly, I just know it.
Everybody please...
I got it!
He got it!
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
And that's all. That's it for tonight, folks. Thanks for watching.
Bye!